So we'll continue today with the word problems of quadratic equation. See the next question here. That is question number 8. A train travels km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less from the same journey for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Find the speed of the train. Okay, see, this kind of question you will expect every time. Train travels, distance is given 360 kilometers. Uniform speed. Let the speed of the train equals to x kilometer per hour. The distance is 360 kilometer. Speed of the train is x. What is the time taken? Time taken t1. Distance by speed. That is 360 by x. That is hour. If it is to power 360 kilometer, speed is x, then time taken for that is 360 by x hour. Now, if the speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more means more than x. So what is the new speed? New speed is x plus 5 kilometer per hour. It would have been taken 1 hour less. So distance will be same 360 kilometer because for the same journey. Same journey means same distance. So what is the time taken again? Second time. Now distance by speed. 360 by x plus 5. Okay, you remember which one is bigger, 360 by x plus 5 or 360 by x? Whose denominator is bigger, the value is smaller. So this is smaller, this is bigger. So when speed is more, time taken is less. Speed is less, time taken is more. Second clue, denominator is bigger. Here is x plus 5, here is x. This is bigger, means this value is smaller. That means time 2 is smaller. Time 1 is bigger. So bigger minus smaller because the time taken is 1 hour less. So t1 minus t2 is 1 hour. So let's put the value. What do you get? 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 equals to 1. Same method, take the LCM. X into x plus 5. This will be multiplied here. 360 x plus 5 This will be multiplied here. 360x equals to 1. So this implies 360x. 360 into 5. 1800 minus 360x divided by x square plus 5x equals to 1. This is cancelled. Cross multiplication, this will go here. 1800 1 into x square plus 5x. Okay, then take this one to that side. X square plus 5x minus 1800. Here the mistake you do. This one is changing side, means minus. Plus will be minus. This one is changing side. This will be minus. Equals to 0. Okay. Then what is A? 1. What is B? 5. What is C? Don't forget this sign. Minus 1800. So x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus 5 plus minus b square 5 square 4 into 1 into minus 1800 divided by 2 into 1. So what did you get? This is minus 5 plus minus 25 minus into minus is plus 7200 by 2 minus 5 plus minus 7200 plus 25 7225 by 2. Okay, how to find square root? Look at here. 7225. Make it pair. First pair 25, second pair 72. Which number? 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 9, 4, 4, 16, 5, 5, 25, 6, 6, 36. Go on doing closer to this. 7, 7, 49, 88, 64, 9, 9, 81. More. So it will go with 8. 64. 12 minus 4, 8. This 8 you have to add here. 16. Last 2 digits will come down. 25. Now listen. If the last number is 5, 5, 5 that 25. So 5 here, 5 here. 5, 5 are 25, 2, 5, 6 are 30, 2, 32, 3, 5, 1 are 5, 3, 8. That means this is our answer. So, minus 5 plus minus 85 by 2. That is minus 5 plus 85 by 2. Minus 5 minus 85 by 2. This is 80 by 2. This is minus 90 by 2. Speed cannot be negative, rejected. Then 40, therefore x 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, so like this we'll continue. See next question. Two water taps. Water taps together can fill a tank in 90/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less. Takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. To fill the tank separately. To fill the tank separately. Okay. Find the time taken by each tank to each step to fill the tank. Okay. Now look, suppose there is a tank here. Two tanks. So water is coming. This is suppose A, this is suppose B. Now together, when you open the tap, together they are taking 9/3/8 hours. But individually, the larger diameter means bigger diameter tank is taking 10 hours less. Or suppose this is closed. This one will take 10 hours less when this is running alone. If this takes X hours, this will take X minus 10 hours. That is the clue here. If this can fill up in X hours, this will fill up in X minus 10 hours. So let's write here. Let the smaller tape fills the tank in X hours. The larger tank will take X minus 10 hours. This is the total tank. This one is filling in X hours. In 1 hour, how much you will fill the first tank? In 1 hour, the first tank will fill the tank. How much? Now 1/x part of the tank. In 1 hour, the second tap will fill how much? Now 1 by, well, this is taking X minus 10 hours. This will take 1 by X minus 10. Meaning 1 hour, this is filling 1 by X. In 1 hour, this is filling 1 minus X by 10. So first and second, if you open together, this is also filling, this is also filling. Together. Together, how much it will be? Now 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 10. So together, first and second 10 can be 1 by x, 1 by x minus 10. Okay, this is the relation here. But what is given to us? Given first and second term together can fill the tank in how many hours? I think it is 9. 3 by 8. Let me check it again. 9 3 by 8. So 9 3 by 8 means 8 9 the 72. 72 plus 3. 75 by 8. This is total time. Then in 1 hour they can fill how much? Now 1 divided by 75 by 8. That means ulta it is 8 by 75. So together they can fill in 1 hour, it is 1 by this means 8 by 75. Also together that is in the equation form 1 by x, 1 by x minus 10. That means this one is equal to this one. So you will get here, therefore 1 by x, 1 by x minus 10, 8 by 75. X minus 10. LCM, this will go here. 1 into x minus 10. This will go here. 1 into x. Remember this procedure. Equals to 8 by 75. So to simplify, what will you get? This implies x minus 10 plus x square minus 10x. This is cancelled. Equals to 8 by 75. Cross multiplication, this will go here. So minus 10 into 75, 8 into x square minus 10x. Remember, when there are two terms, you put in the bracket. So this implies minus 750 80x square minus 80x. Now listen, you are taking this one to that side. So this will be positive, this will not change. Means 80x square minus 80x plus 750 equals to 0. So when the numbers are big, try to solve using formula. So a equals to 8, b equals, or you can do, let's do like this, b equals to minus 80, c equals to 750, x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus 80 plus minus 80 square minus 4 into 8 into 750 divided by 2 into 1. 2 into 8. Because this is 8. So minus minus plus 80 plus minus 80 square minus square is plus 6400. So you have to multiply 32 750. How much? Let us see. 750 42. So that is our mistake. Let me check it. 9 3 by 8 75 by 8 75 by 8 8 by 75 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10. Let me have a check. Just a minute. So x square minus 10 x minus 10 plus x x minus 10 plus x. Here was a mistake. Sorry, x is not cancelled. Sorry, you take it from here. Once more. 1 by start number 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 equals to 8 by 75. So LCM is x into x minus 10. This will be going here. X minus 10 plus x. Actually, I cancel. You cannot cancel here because both are positive. Equals to 8 by 75. Now 2x minus 10 by x square minus 10x 8 by 75. This was the mistake we have done. So that is why it was coming wrong. So 75 2x minus 10 8 into x square minus 10x. So 150x minus 750 80x square minus 80x. So there was a mistake there. Okay. 150x. This will go that side. 80x square minus 80x. This will be minus that side. 150x. This will go that side plus 750 equals to 0. So implies 80x square. This is 230x plus 750 equals to 0. So mistake we got, no problem. We can solve it. So A is 8, B is minus 230, C is 750. Okay. Then x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus 230 square minus 4 into 8 into 750 by 2 into 8. I had given you 230 is how much? 529. 529. 23 square is 529. I have given you a table. 0 means 2 zeros here. Minus 24000. So 529 double 0 240 triple 24000 009 divided by 16. 231 plus minus 18900. Look at here. I'll teach you how to find this. 189. Check here. 18900. How to find square root? Now next pair, second pair. 1 1. The 1. Then 89. So plus 1, 2. So which number, because there are still more digits, so which number will go, try to see. 7. 7 because last term is 7 7 is 49. 49 4. 7 2 is 14 4. Sorry, this is 289. 289. So 1. 7 2 is 14 4 18. That means 20 will come down. Plus 7 you have to make here 34. So which number comes? 2 zeros. So last 2 digits 0 means put 0. So what is this? 170. So you are going to find 230 plus minus 170 by 16. So what do you get? This is 230 plus 170 by 16. 230 minus 170 by 16. So this is how much? 400 by 16. So this is 25. This is 10. This 10 is rejected. Why 10 is rejected? Tell me. ये तो पॉजिटिव है, why rejected? Because second 10 cannot be in x minus 10 means 10 minus 10. 0 hours now how will you fill up? If x is 10, then second 10 is filling in 0 hours. 0 hours is not possible. Then how can the 10 will be filled? That is why this is rejected. Therefore, x is equal to 25 hours. This is first step. X minus 10. That is 25 minus 10. 15. This will be second step. Second step. So first step will fill in 25 hours. Second step will fill in 15 hours. So there was a little mistake we corrected. Now we will go to another question. An express train. A similar question look at here. An express train takes 1 hour less. 1 hour less than the passenger train. To travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore. Without taking into consideration of the time, they stop. If the average speed of the express train, if the average speed of the express train is 111 kilometer per hour more. More than that of the passenger train. Than that of the passenger train. Find the average speed of the two trains. Find the average speed of the two trains. This is just like a question I had done just before this. I will just create the equation you have to solve. Let the speed of the passenger train is x kilometer per hour. Okay. Then speed of express train, speed of the express train will be 11 more x plus 11 kilometer per hour. Distance is same. What is the distance? Mysore to Bangalore. It is 132 kilometer. So time taken by passenger train. How much? Now distance by speed. So 132 by x. Time taken by express train. Time taken by express train. Distance by speed x by 132 by x plus 11 hour. Okay. So what is the time difference? How much they are taking each other? One hour. So 1 hour means which one is bigger? Denominator is smaller means this is bigger. So 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 equals to 1. So I have done a question like this. You will try to solve it. Okay. Now let me go to the next question. That is sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. Sum of the areas of the two squares is 468 meter square. Okay. Then if the difference of their perimeter is 24 meters, if the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter. Find the sides of the two square. Find the sides of the two square. Okay. Look at here. There are two squares. Another square again. The area, sum of the area is 468, but the perimeter, difference of their perimeter. Suppose this is x, this is first, this is second. So let the side of the first square is x meter. Then perimeter will be how much? Perimeter is four sides because equal side, x plus x plus x plus x. That will be P1, suppose 4x. Because we cannot have two variables, because this is quadratic equation of one variable, then how to find each side? This though we don't know what is the side of this. So what clue here is, difference of their perimeter is 24. So P1 minus P2 is 24. Perimeter P1 may write 4x. 4x minus P2 is 24. Let me take this one to this side. 4x minus 24. Look at this, I have taken here minus. This will go the other side plus. P2. So P2 means what? A side. Perimeter means 4 into side, one side, two sides, three sides, four sides. So you write 4x minus 24 is 4 into side. So 4 common x minus 6. This 4 will come here, equals to side. So 4 cancel. So now look at here. What did you get? This one side is x. This we are not knowing. This we are not knowing. Now you got x minus 6. We found out x minus 6. Now it is variable of one variable now. Sum of the area 468 means area का formula side square means this side square means x square, this side square x minus 6 whole square equals to 468. We have to solve it to find out how to solve. Look at here. X square a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to 468. So x square plus x square is 2x square minus 12x plus 36 minus 468 equals to 0. Okay, so what do you get? 2x square 12x, so 468, 8 minus 6 2, then 6 minus 3 is 3, then 4. So these are divisible by 2. You can divide by 2 to make it smaller. This is x square, this is 6x, this is 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 216 equals to 0. Now let's find out ABC. A equals to 1, B is minus 6, C is minus 216. Okay. X equals to minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC by 2A. Let's put the values. So minus of minus 6 plus minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 216 divided by 2 into 1. So how much you got? 6 plus minus 6 का square 36 minus into minus is plus. So it is how much? Divided by 2. So 6 plus minus, this is 900. I have given you table. 900 means 30 divided by 2. So 6 plus minus 30 by 2. 6 plus 30 by 2. 6 minus 30 by 2. 36 by 2. 36 by 2. This is minus 14 by 2. Rejected. Minus 24. This is rejected. So 218. So x is equal to 18 meter. Other side. Side of the other square. How much? Not x minus 6. X minus 6 means 18 minus 6, that is 12 meter. Okay. One more class we will have in the quadratic equation. Then we will revise.